Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the wrist blood pressure monitor by HYLOGY. It is a digital blood pressure machine. It has a voice broadcast on board and a large LCD display. It is comfortable. It is adjustable cuff with heart rate pulse. And you are able to program two users with 2 times of 90 memories. Yeah, that means each can store 90 memories. This is awesome. So you can use it with 2 persons in one or on one machine. It is portable and comfortable. It adopts ultra-thin design, small size and lightweight, convenient for travel and carrying. You can put it in your backpack or pocket and measure your blood pressure anywhere you like. Large screen voice broadcast system is on board. The large LCD screen and the clear voice broadcast is really awesome. I like it really much because it's the next step in these devices. One button automatic measurement is adopted, especially convenient for the elders. 180 memory capacity. This allows 2 users to use each 90 memory storage. Convenient for recording blood pressure changes. Take care of your family. It has a new chip technology on board to make it more accurate. It can reduce the error caused by different measuring positions. The pressure gauge has high accuracy, good stability, and long duration. You can use it more than 3,000 times. And it looks really awesome. It is tiny, it is easy, and it has a large LCD display and a slim design. The LCD screen offers a clear reading and slim design shows you the excellent touch experience. You have a voice broadcast function. You can use it for doctor diagnosis, for home use, or your poorly hearing elderly. And it is really easy to use and easy to carry. Easy to use indoor or outdoor. Travel lightweight, easy to carry. But take care it's not waterproof. Do not go with this in the swimming pool. You have a smart pressure station, ultra high accuracy because of the chip, and 2 users modes. Large LCD digital display, 2 users with 180 memories, 1 key measurement, high accuracy, slim design, and lightweight and portable. These are all things what this device makes to a good product. And HYLOGY AS55G is the latest blood pressure monitor, updated and improved on the basis of the original product. It uses advanced biosensor technology combined with many years of professional experience and accurate clinical experience too. OSM function can detect arrhythmia and blood pressure indicators. That helps better measure blood pressure by yourself at your home. The pressure ranges from 0 to 290 mmHg. Or you can change it to O up to 39 kPa, kilopascal. The pulse range is from 40 up to 180 pulse per minute. The pressure accuracy is plus minus 3 mmHg. The pulse accuracy is plus minus 5% of reading. The wrist cuff size is 4.92 up to 7.87 inches. And if this device fits my arm, it will fit your arm too. Oh yeah. The memories are 2 times of 90 series readings, and it has an automatic power off mode 180 seconds. That is an energy saver. Yeah, easy to read, even the elderly with poor vision. You can simply use it at home and get a clear reading, which is touchful gift for all out there. It is really easy to use. Step number 1 is adjust the cuff, wrap it around your left wrist and secure. Or you can use the right, of course. The step number 2 is the distance between the top of the machine and the hand should be about 1 up to 2 centimeters. Step number 3, sit up straight and relax, keeping your heart and the machine in one level. Step number 4, press the power button to measure. Don't move or speak during the measurement. And then, job's done. It is able to store all your measurement on board. You can read and you can hear this measurement by using the left button on the underneath button key. It's really easy to handle because you have only 2 key operation. That means if you will touch for a measurement, then press the on and off button to power it on. The pump starts to inflate the curve. The second thing is the monitor starts to detect your blood pressure and pulse rate during the inflation. Then you can read the solution. If you have a good pulse, it's okay. If you have a good pressure, okay. But if you have a higher thing, and this is continuously, go to a doctor and let's check this. When the measurement is completed, your blood pressure and the pulse rate will be displayed in the screen. And then, please do not speak during the measurement. Do not move your body, wrist or fingers. Please test quietly for 3 minutes before taking another blood pressure measurement. Then, if you like to, the unit is mmHg or kPa, the display setup and the memory selection. That means you have press and hold the M button about 3 seconds to turn it on during the power off state. Now, after this, press and hold the M button again 3 seconds to cycle through the settings for user choosing for number of memories and unit display and voice on or voice off. And then it is easy to change because if you press 3 seconds, this will go step by step each setup, and if you have a short press, it will program this. And if you like to have a memory cleaning, then adjust to the number of the memory, and if it's flashing, press the M button to modify the value to O. That is how to delete the failures. Not the failures, the measurements, sorry about this. And if you like to make a unit setup, then go to the unit display, and if the flashing, then press the M button again. That means you will choose setup. Each setup you can choose by pressing 3 seconds, M button, and to choose another option of this one setting, you only have to press a little bit on the M button. Job's done. And if you're ready with your options, then press the on and off button.
Stop, please keep quiet.
Because the on and off button is only to get it on and let it work. And the other button is for memory.
Systolic blood pressure 136 millimeters of mercury. Diastolic blood pressure 96 millimeters of mercury. Heartbeat 67 beats per minute.
For the voice on or off, for the users, etc. It's really easy. So it is, and my pressure is really nice here. You can see it's okay. But note, once you feel uncomfortable with the inflation or the inflector becomes keyless, please loosen the cuff immediately. Don't talk. Move your arm or body during the measurement. The monitor will be automatically shut off in 3 minutes without operation. When the monitor can't measure the value correctly, the screen will display the E icon. Press on off button to shut off the monitor and wait for 4 up to 5 minutes to start a new test. At the same time, follow the suggestion and it's really easy. Keep quiet and correct position. Fit the wrist cuff correctly and avoid the electromagnetic interferences. And then you have a lot of fun with this HYLOGY wrist blood pressure monitor. It is fashion, slim design, comfortable cuff, lightweight and portable. You have an LCD digital display, and this is large. And you have a dual user mode and voice broadcast function. Really awesome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel soon.